Hello everyone, it's Tufik from Tech Security USA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome back to another unboxing video where today we'll be unboxing the Triguard 2.0 and the model number on this is the Triguard 2.0 Ipc3K28Se-Adf28Kmc, and it comes with a 8 megapixel lens and 2.8 millimeters of render distance. As you see over here, the following camera contains the three features. It has active deterrence, color hunter, and smart intrusion prevention. And also the packaging here gives you also a good preview on what the camera contains. It's got warm light, red and blue, warning light for invaders, and IR light. And as you see here, it also contains a built-in SD card slot and a built-in mic and speaker for communication and storing your recordings. Just want to take a look at this packaging. This packaging is very nice and high quality and well designed by Uniview. Very professional, and I like how they really made this box over here. It really gives you a lot of brief details on how the camera works and how it actually functions. The following camera here is actually a panoramic camera, so we'll go right ahead and unbox this. Over here, pull out this piece of foam. As you can see here, it's very well packaged, very nice and professional. If we open up this bag here, we get documentation, and a drill template for mounting the camera. We also get some screws and mounting joints and a hex screw. For other accessories, we get waterproof joints that come with the camera. And the camera itself. How simple was that, guys? Amazing. Let's go ahead and take it out of its packaging. So taking a look at this panoramic camera, as you notice from the box, over here we have the two 8 megapixel lens, and as also labeled on the box, on the left here is your warm light, in the middle here is the red and blue warning light, and on the right is the IR light. Flipping it over to the back, this is where the speakers are located, and from the cables that are hanging from it, we have two green cables, which are your two alarm system cables. This is what you use to hook up the camera to your alarm system. Here is the DC power cable to power on the camera, and here's the Ethernet PoE cable over here. If you have any questions in regards to this camera or in regards to pricing, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit our website at www.techsecurityusa.com for more details.